Schoolboy shot dead while sheltering from rain at a bar. Moody siblings were killed over scamming, says mother. Bl00d tense after 3-year-old wounded in attack that left dad dead. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Grief counseling got underway at Anchovy High School in St. James on Monday morning following the murder of 14-year-old student Randino James, who was gunned down while sheltering from the rain at a bar on Friday evening. The bartender was also shot and injured during the attack. Reports from the police are that about 6:30 p.m., grade 8 student Randino, also called Dino, of Mall Road, Montpelier in the parish, was playing football in his community when he went into a bar to seek shelter during a downpour. Two men alighted from a motor car that drove up and they opened fire on the occupants of the bar, hitting the teenager and the bartender. The man then escaped in a waiting motor car. Other patrons escaped injury. Randino and the bartender were taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead and the bartender was admitted. The Moody siblings, 20-year-old Kerrick Moody and 22-year-old Kenisha Moody, who reportedly went missing on Friday and are suspected to have been killed and buried in a shallow grave, were allegedly murdered over scamming money. The siblings' mother, Stephanie Edwards, told the news media in an interview on Sunday that her children were involved in scamming. They are both of Top Lincoln in Green Trail, Westmoreland, and were reported missing shortly after they were last seen at a fast food establishment in the parish where they went to leave a package of $10,000 for their mother last Friday. Bamboo in St. Anne is now tense following a gun attack that left a father dead and his 3-year-old daughter wounded on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Orlando Atkinson, otherwise called Junior, a contractor from Lilyfield District in Bamboo. According to the police, Atkinson and his daughter were in his vehicle about 8:15 p.m. on Saturday when armed men approached and opened gunfire at them. The cops were called to the scene, and on their arrival, Atkinson was seen with gunshot wounds to the upper body and his daughter also wounded. They were transported to hospital where Atkinson was pronounced dead and his child was treated and released.